The Electactic 60-inch electric fireplace offers a stunning combination of style and functionality, bringing warmth and elegance to any living space. With its versatile design, adjustable flame color, remote control, timer, and powerful heating capabilities, this recessed and wall-mounted fireplace is a remarkable addition to your home. Let's delve into the features that make the Electactic electric fireplace a standout choice for creating a captivating ambience. Sleek recessed and wall-mounted design. The electric fireplace boasts a sleek and modern design that can be both recessed and wall-mounted, providing versatility in installation. This flexibility allows you to seamlessly integrate the fireplace into your existing decor, making it an ideal choice for any room in your home. The 60-inch size offers a captivating focal point, adding a touch of sophistication and elegance to your living space. Adjustable flame color and brightness. One of the standout features of the electric fireplace is its ability to adjust the flame color and brightness. With multiple flame color options, including blue, orange, and a combination of both, you can effortlessly set the mood and ambience to match your preferences or the occasion. The adjustable flame brightness further enhances the realism, allowing you to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Convenient remote control and timer function. The electric fireplace comes with a user-friendly remote control, providing convenient access to its features from anywhere in the room. With just a click of a button, you can adjust the flame color, brightness, and heat settings and activate the timer function. The timer feature allows you to program the fireplace to automatically turn on or off at your desired times, providing both convenience and energy efficiency. Powerful heating capabilities. Beyond its captivating visual effects, the electric fireplace serves as an efficient heating solution for your home. With its 750W and 1500W heating options, you can select the ideal level of warmth for your space. This fireplace can effectively heat up a room of up to 400 square feet, making it perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or even offices. Say goodbye to chilly nights as the fireplace creates a cozy and comfortable environment. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.